This video shows how to configure the IBM ISA Ethernet adapter. In this case, to enable the boot ROM, I'm having to go through and run, instead of running the config command, I run a batch file that's config AT. Okay, as we get into the adapter settings, we'll look at the adapter I have in there currently, and we shift over to its address that we want it on. Here's the address of my setup to where it's at IO port 240, IRQ3. We go down and set this to shared memory if it's set to IO port. And then for the boot prom, we tab until we have the selection that we want for my setup at D000, and then go through to save the configuration and quit the config. Thank you.